The T1M digital tape measure is a modern tool designed to improve the accuracy and ease of measurements. It offers key features like a digital display for clear reading, Bluetooth connectivity for easy data sharing, and support for both imperial and metric units. With a built-in calculator, long battery life, and durable construction, it ensures efficient performance for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The T1M enhances productivity, reduces errors, and simplifies collaboration, making it suitable for various tasks in construction, woodworking, and home improvement. The Pony 32400 ISD 4-inch hand clamp is a versatile clamping tool ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and DIY projects. It features a 4-inch opening for a wide range of workpieces and dual durometer handles for a comfortable grip. The non-marring pivoting jaws protect surfaces from scratches, while the automatic locking mechanism ensures a secure hold. At 9 inches in length, it is portable and easy to use. This lightweight, durable hand clamp is a valuable addition to any workshop or toolbox for clamping, gluing, or securing materials during various tasks. The Malco FS2 F352 station metal bender is a durable tool crafted for precise metal bending and roofing projects. Its two-station design enables infinite length bends, while adjustable rollers accommodate different material thicknesses. The angled roller ensures scratch-free 90 degrees bends, and an optional accessory allows for gentler bends in softer metals like aluminum. Built from CNC aluminum and stainless steel, it handles materials such as steel, copper, and zinc. This versatile tool is ideal for forming flashings, roofing details, and making repairs, catering to the needs of metalworking professionals. The Marshalltown Fast Cap is a tile leveling system designed to ensure even and level tile installations. It includes reusable ratchet caps that adjust tile height and spacer bases that accommodate various grout line widths. The system works by placing the spacer bases between tiles, pressing on ratchet caps to level them, and removing the caps once the thin set cures. Key features include fast installation, reusable caps, and different-sized spacer bases. This system helps achieve professional, error-free tile alignment while saving time and reducing waste, making it ideal for both novice and experienced tilers. The Homax TexPro is a lightweight, user-friendly texture sprayer designed for easy application on interior walls and ceilings. It simplifies the process with key features like its comfortable, lightweight design, quick setup, and pre-filled texture cartridges. The sprayer connects to an air compressor and uses adjustable settings to achieve both light and heavy textures. It delivers consistent, professional finishes and works up to 70% faster than traditional hopper guns. With reduced cleanup and versatile use, the Tex Pro is a practical tool for texturing projects of any size. The Hilti Neuron XOT22 is a wearable tool balancer that reduces fatigue during heavy demolition and drilling tasks. It features zero-gravity handling, automatically balancing tools up to 17 kilograms for a nearly weightless feel. The foldable support arm allows for easy transport, while its lightweight design enhances portability. Ideal for repetitive tasks, it supports over-shoulder drilling and wall-breaking work. By improving ergonomics and reducing strain on the body, it increases productivity and minimizes injury risks, making it perfect for demanding construction jobs. The Kemper 1800 thermal knife is a versatile cutting tool designed for construction and insulation projects. It features adjustable power and temperature settings, allowing for precise control from 120 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius for various materials. With a maximum cutting depth of 150 millimeters, it efficiently handles polystyrene, foams, soft plastics, and ropes. The knife heats up quickly, minimizing downtime, while its sharp blade ensures clean and accurate cuts. Built for professional use, the Kemper 1800 is perfect for cutting insulation boards and crafting foam panels. It also includes spare blades and a cleaning brush for easy maintenance. The Works WX051 Pegasus folding work table is a versatile and portable tool, functioning as both a work table and a sawhorse. Constructed for durability, it features a foldable design that allows for easy storage and transport. A built-in clamping system securely holds materials in place, enhancing stability during use. This work table supports up to 300 pounds and can handle an impressive 1,000 pounds when used as a sawhorse. Its expandable design allows for connection with other Pegasus tables, creating a larger work surface as needed. Overall, the Pegasus offers practical solutions for various tasks, making it a valuable addition to any workspace. The Stihl Power Snake Drain Cleaner is a cordless tool designed for tackling tough clogs in drains. It features a 25-foot carbon steel cable that reaches deep into pipes, complemented by a variable speed trigger for precise control. The drain cleaner includes a stable footbase and a cleaning port to drain excess water after use. Compatible with Stihl 12V and 20V batteries, it offers powerful performance. This user-friendly tool is essential for various drain clearing applications. The Batavia Giraffe Air is a versatile telescopic ladder designed for easy use and storage. Made of high-quality aluminum, it is both lightweight and durable, ensuring reliable performance. Its retractable design allows for extension to the desired height and convenient retraction for compact storage. Safety features include a wide base and non-slip feet, providing stability during use. Ideal for various tasks, this ladder is a popular choice for both homeowners and professionals. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel dual battery backpack blower is a powerful cordless tool designed for professionals. It delivers a blowing force of 20.5 newtons, rivaling gas blowers up to 60 cc, ideal for tough tasks. With a fast throttle response and quiet operation at 62 dB, it enhances productivity without disturbing the environment. The blower includes adjustable settings for optimized performance and a comfortable harness for extended use. Weighing just 18.4 pounds without batteries, it's portable and easy to maneuver. The Metabo 18V cordless die grinder is a powerful, versatile tool for grinding, cutting, and polishing. It features a high-performance brushless motor and variable speed control from 7,000 to 29,000 revolutions per minute, allowing for precise adjustments. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while safety features like soft start, overload, and kickback protection enhance user safety. Weighing only 1.4 kilograms, it's lightweight and compatible with any Metabo 18V battery pack. Ideal for professionals, the tool offers performance, versatility, and ease of use for various applications. The Sumac 18-volt Li-ion cordless riveter is a high-performance tool, featuring a brushless motor for efficient, durable operation and longer battery life. Its 18-volt Li-ion battery ensures extended use without frequent recharging. The adjustable nose piece accommodates different rivet sizes, making it versatile for various applications. Its ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip and lightweight build for easy handling, while the LED light improves visibility in low-light conditions. Additionally, the reverse function allows for quick rivet removal, enhancing the tool's convenience and usability in demanding tasks. The Fiskars Wood Expert Sappi XA2 is a practical tool designed for handling and working with smaller logs. It makes lifting, carrying, and organizing wood piles easy and efficient, while also allowing for the turning of logs and securing them on splitting blocks. With an ergonomic handle and durable construction, it reduces strain during prolonged use. Compact and lightweight, it's convenient for both home and professional use. Made from hardened steel and reinforced synthetic materials, the SAPI XA2 includes a protective cover for safe storage, a reliable tool for wood-related tasks. The Ridgid Tyler Pad is a versatile rubber support pad designed to assist with various tiling tasks, such as cutting, drilling, and spreading glue. Its durable rubber construction provides excellent resistance to damage, while elastic feet offer protection for tools and create a stable work surface. Lightweight and easy to transport, the pad simplifies tile handling and protects both tools and tiles. It is also easy to clean, making it a practical and efficient accessory for professional tilers and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Irwin QuickLift construction jack is a versatile tool ideal for lifting, leveling, holding, and installing in various construction tasks. With a lifting capacity of 330 pounds and a height of up to 10 inches, it offers precision control for fine adjustments. Built with durable materials, it is well suited for tasks like installing cabinets, doors, windows, and appliances. Multifunctional and available at major retailers, this jack typically ranges in price from $80 to $100, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and home users. The Ryobi Swift Clean is a cordless spot cleaner designed for quick and effective cleaning of spills and stains on various surfaces. Powered by the Ryobi One Plus battery system, it offers cordless convenience and portability. Its strong suction lifts dirt and liquids, while the powered scrub brush agitates stains for thorough removal. The cleaner includes multiple tools, such as a bristle insert, rubber insert, and crevice tool, to tackle different tasks. Simple to operate, the Swift Clean works on carpets, upholstery, stairs, and car interiors, making it a versatile cleaning tool. A cross-bladed axe is a specialized tool designed to enhance the efficiency of wood splitting. It features two blades arranged in a cross pattern, enabling it to split wood into multiple pieces with a single swing, reducing both time and effort. This tool is particularly beneficial for tasks like preparing firewood, as it increases productivity by breaking logs down faster. Its versatile design makes it useful for various wood-related activities, such as timber processing and bushcraft. Typically, cross-bladed axes are made from durable steel with wooden handles, ensuring long-lasting performance and a comfortable grip. The Aloyan 4V electric screwdriver kit offers cordless convenience with a rechargeable battery and a maximum torque of 4.5 nanometers. It features a slide-action bit changer with 6 bits for quick switching between screw types. An integrated LED light ensures better visibility in low-light conditions. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to use and transport. Ideal for both professionals and enthusiasts needing an efficient tool. The Woodpecker's Jigsaw blade handle is a versatile tool designed for precise cuts with various jigsaw blades. It accommodates T-shank, U-shank, and universal blades, making it adaptable to different materials. Its compact design, made of red anodized aluminum with a stainless steel collet, ensures durability and portability. The handle allows for controlled, accurate cuts and is easy to use by simply inserting and tightening the blade. Perfect for woodworking. It's useful for tasks like finishing cuts, flush cutting dowels, and squaring drilled corners. The Jigsaw 01X is a compact, portable soldering tool ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Its small size and rechargeable battery make it perfect for on-the-go use or limited workspaces. The tool heats up quickly and offers adjustable temperature settings, ensuring flexibility for different soldering tasks. Safety features, such as automatic shutoff and heat-resistant tips, enhance user protection. While it excels in portability, its power output might be insufficient for heavy-duty tasks, and tip durability may require replacements over time. Despite being user-friendly, a slight learning curve may be expected for complete novices. The Malco FSX power-assisted metal seamer is ideal for roofing professionals, designed to seam 1-inch and 1.5-inch panels in a single operation. Powered by a cordless drill, it delivers speeds up to 98 feet per minute, covering 1076 square feet per minute. This tool eliminates the need for hand seaming, making work faster and more efficient. It's versatile, handling both single and double mechanical locks. Weighing 8.5 pounds, it's made from high-quality steel and aluminum for durability in demanding tasks. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.